Most amazing breakfast you've ever seen, stuffed bread. Delicious. For this recipe, we're going to need 5 loaves of bread. I'll be making a hole in their midst this way. Removing the bread crumbs like this, I'll reserve it on the side. Now I'm going to be greasing a mold with a lot of butter. And in these buns, like this, I will be adding 5 eggs, 1 on each loaf. And people are already commenting to me from which city you are watching us. I'm going to send a super special hug to each of you who is commenting. I will now be seasoning with a little salt. Also a little black pepper. I'm going to cut some parsley and add to bread. And folks, this bread looks wonderful. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it because it's delicious. I'll be cutting pepperoni sausage right now, like this here, and also adding the buns. And today, I'm going to send a super special hug to Abigail from San Diego. Thank you so much, you are always following us. I thank you immensely. I'm also going to grate some mozzarella cheese now. And also add to each bread. That way, very easy, very fast and very practical. I will also add lastly, some oregano. And bake in a preheated oven at 266 degrees for about 30 minutes. And our stuffed bread was ready, and it was wonderful. It's perfect for your breakfast or afternoon snack. I'm sure you won't regret it. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.